Look at this smug little stickman clown again, strutting up his income stairs like more money will finally fix his pathetic life. Step drops the $700 car payment bag because I need reliable wheels, bro. Step tosses the latest phone upgrade because everyone's got it. Step pays extra rent for that vibe apartment to flex on Instagram. And at the bottom, that sad, dusty investments jar with cobwebs and maybe $50 because you treat your future like garbage. Morgan Housel just wrote the book on why you're still broke in 2026, and today we roast the first big truth. Your money brain is broken. Not because you're dumb, because you're human, and humans are wired to screw this up. Let's destroy the excuses. Housel starts with the slap you need. No one is crazy with money. Your broke decisions make perfect sense to your tiny, experience-limited brain. Your personal money history? It's maybe 0.0000001% of everything that's ever happened financially, but it shapes 80% of how you think the world works. Grew up in the 2008 crash? You hoard cash like it's going extinct. Parents were broke? You chase status to prove you're not them. Born in the bull market era? You YOLO into crypto thinking you're a genius. Young Americans especially, student loans crushing you since 18, TikTok flex culture telling you to live like you're rich, DoorDash addiction because self-care. It all feels normal because your brain only knows your tiny slice of reality. But here's the brutal part. Normal doesn't mean smart. Your normal is keeping you broke. You justify $14 lattes and $2,400 rent while your net worth laughs at you. Housel says everyone's worldview is valid, but most are trash for building wealth. You're not crazy, you're just blind to how limited your view is. Next roast. Luck and risk are twins, and you pretend only one exists. You see a 25-year-old crypto millionaire and think, he's a genius, I can do that. Nah, luck played a massive role. The same guy could have lost everything in the 2022 crash. Risk is the dark side of luck. You only notice it when it hits someone else. Housel hammers, nothing is as good or bad as it seems because outcomes are drowned in luck and risk. Bill Gates was brilliant, but he was also insanely lucky to be born when personal computers exploded. Remove that luck, different story. Young Americans love stories of overnight success, side hustle to millionaire. But for every winner, thousands failed quietly. You over-attribute success to skill and failure to laziness. That's why you chase get-rich-quick schemes instead of boring, consistent systems. Your ego can't handle that most of it is luck you don't control. Pathetic. Final gut punch. Never enough. Even billionaires blow it because they move the goalposts forever. Rajat Gupta, insanely rich, still risked it all for more, ended up in prison. Bernie Madoff? Same story. They had enough, but enough never arrived. You do the same on a smaller scale. Make 60K, need 100K to feel secure. Hit 100K, now it's 200K for the real life. Happiness equals results minus expectations. Your expectations keep rising, so you're always miserable. Young Americans, you see influencers with Lambos and think, I deserve that. No, you deserve what your discipline earns. Chasing more without defining enough turns you into a hamster on a wheel. Debt piles up, stress skyrockets, and your investments jar stays dusty. Enough roasting. Here's the no excuses rebuild for 2026. Accept your brain is biased. Journal your money story, childhood, parents, first jobs. See how it warps decisions. Brutal honesty. My broke habits come from fear, laziness, comparison, not bad luck. Separate luck from skill. Stop worshiping outliers. Build boring systems. Auto-invest 20% of every paycheck into index funds before you see it. No timing the market, just time in the market. Define enough now. Set a real number. Enough is X dollars saved, debt-free, freedom to say no to BS jobs. Write it down. When urges hit, new phone, bigger apartment, Ask, does this move me toward enough or away? If away, kill it. Automate humility. Weekly review. Track net worth, spending leaks. Shame yourself in a private note if you slip. Systems beat motivation. Stop being the punchline of your own life. Housel exposed the psychology. Now rebuild your identity before another year wastes away. If this hurt, good. Use the pain. Smash subscribe for part 2 and turn on notifications. We're roasting the whole book. No mercy. Drop your biggest excuse from this part below. I'll call out the weakest ones. Your broke brain is broken. Fix it or stay pathetic. Your choice.